Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How's everyone there? Hope everything's fine. Let's make some lip smacking, mouth watering prawns pickle. So I'm going to start with the marination process. For this you'll require 1 kg medium sized prawns. After cleaning, the net weight is approx 470 to 500 grams. So for the marination I've taken some salt, some turmeric powder, at least half teaspoon, and a teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm just going to combine this mixture well and marinate the mixture for 1 hour in fridge. This will help the prawns to become juicy and tender. After 1 hour in a saucepan, I'm just taking a regular sunflower oil, that is approx 3 tablespoons. I'm just adding all my marinated prawns. You just need to stir fry these for 10 to 12 minutes on a medium to low flame. Just 10 to 12 minutes. Don't overcook these prawns as they tend to become rubbery and hard and your pickles won't taste good. So you just need to fry them for 10 to 12 minutes. Now it's perfectly fried. I'm just going to switch off the flame and remove these prawns, just keeping it aside. After cleaning the pan, on the same pan I'm pouring some sesame oil, that is til oil. Sesame oil acts as a natural preservative which prevents the pickle from spoiling. After the oil heats, here I'm adding 3 strings of curry leaves. Saute the curry leaves for few seconds. Here I'm adding some garlic which is slit into half, approx 50 grams. Saute until the garlic turns slightly golden brown. To this I'm adding some green chilies which is just slit in between, approx 5 green chilies. You can add according to your taste buds. And I've added some finely chopped ginger, 25 grams. I'm just going to saute these until it turns nicely golden brown. And at this stage, switch off the flame and add masalas. The reason why we are switching off the flame so that the masalas don't burn. Here I'm adding some Kashmiri red chili powder, approx 2 tablespoons. You can also add red chili powder if you don't have Kashmiri red chili powder, but this gives a good color. Then I'm adding some white vinegar, that is the cooking vinegar, 240 ml. Combine this mixture well and switch on the flame. Adding vinegar to pickles improves the shelf life. So if you make the same way as I have instructed you all, the pickles will last longer. So no need to add any water or anything, just vinegar is fine. So here I've added the fried prawns which was kept aside. I'm going to allow this mixture to cook for another 5 minutes until it becomes thick. So I'm just going to combine these well. So as I tasted, there was a little salt, like there was less salt. So I'm just adjusting the salt. So you just taste and then accordingly adjust the salt. So now as you can see, the prawns are nice and the gravy is kind of thick. So you have to just switch off the flame, and once cool, just store it in a ceramic container and then keep it in fridge, ceramic or a glass container. And voila, your prawns pickle is ready. Enjoy!